So we're making some strawberry jam. I've soaked my strawberries and a couple of blackberries in some vinegar and water. And we're just trying them out. And then we're going to hull our strawberries. Just gonna take off the clips and put them back into our bowl. I love jam and jellies. My grandmother used to make these all the time. Gonna loosely put them into pieces. That's summer berries. We've got our beautiful whole strawberries. I'm just gonna wash them all again. Got my candy thermometer, and I'm gonna go ahead and boil down our seasonal berries, our nice summer berries. Adding the juice of the lemon upside down. A whole half a lemon, about 2 tablespoons. Add in about 2 iced tea mix scoopers worth of sugar. Maybe a little more. And I'm also going to use some natural sugar, some agave. So we've been bubbling and boiling away at 220 degrees using our candy thermometer. Now I've got my potato masher to grind down some of this whole